All right. Why you no work? Because there's no mini game. Mini game. Mini game. No mini game. All right. Well, that would do it. Wait. What am I missing? No, it should be fine. Mini game. Oh, right here. Yeah. Get the HTML. There must be a reason this is not working. Let's see. All right. Debug. What do we got? Empty. Well, that'll do it. Why are you empty? No. Okay. Mini games. Location, explore, minigame. Is it not saving the location? Actually, I forgot if it's doing that. So we pretty much got, yeah, see, it didn't save it. Oh, that's right. I was trying to figure out why this isn't saving. See, it's not saving selects. Let's figure that out. That's what I was trying to figure out. Right. Why you no save? So save post. Post ID, get the metadata. Let's see if we can get something here. Metadata. Now I remember why I was here. Go. Posting what? I saw that it's posting the right data in the payload. Like it's getting thyroid as the area and all that kind of stuff. But it's not. It's not giving me what I want. These are all heartbeats. Okay. Yeah, why is this even not getting hit? Well, if we just look at the code, if it's a select is not the type, so if select is the type, which I think the problem might be getting the metadata fields. Because this is form. Oh. What is this? Oh. Right. So if we go to mini games. Mini games. Oh, here we go. So you have area. Right. I think I need to change the way things save now. So let's actually go back to save post. There you go. So now that we have the metadata, it's changed it a little bit. I've wrapped everything in an array so I could add labels to each of the fields. So that means that value is not value, it's value 0. And value 0. So that would be the issue. Because value is no longer value. Key is the same. This should work now. That should be it. Boop. Now if we do this, and we do that, and we do that, save. Ta-da! I'm so smart because I built this. Fucking dumb. It's my mess that I've made, so I know exactly what to do. Okay, cool. Well, now I can at least test the minigame. Make sure it's working. Boop boop, ba boop. Oh no! Well, now we can test why it's broken. What do we got? What you got? Oh, it's because I left the var dump in, didn't I? That's my bad. Where did I do that? I did it somewhere. Right here. Alright, now it should be fine. Oh, we know the function's getting hit now. Nope. It was not it. There's more. There's more error. Error? Plug into URL. Okay, so I'm obviously fucking around with that. Aren't I using that somewhere else? Plug in dir URL. Oh, I forgot to put file in there. My bad. Everybody ignore me and my failures. Okay, that'll work. Okay, now don't error. Yay. Okay, will the minigame start? Yay. Images are not there though. I think I need to do some styling. Because we have the computer chip. But we don't have the images with the computer chip. Where are the images supposed to be actually? Because they go here. Draggable images. Did I? Wait, do I even have draggable images? Did I just make up that? I just made up this variable and I didn't do anything about it? Nice. Well, I'm dumb. At least now it exists. Right? Yeah. Wash meta. Is that what it is? Draggable images? Draggable images. Yeah, that's right. And it should be a draggable item. So then let's actually check. I think draggable image is going to be not what I need. Yeah, okay. What is going on? Is this not showing anything? They're saved. I know they're saved. What you got? Debug me. It's empty. I am definitely draggable images. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. What did I call it? I thought I called it draggable images. Oh, items. God damn it. Getting pretty frustrated here. Alright, now let's see what we're getting. Should be weird. Debug is giving us array and then okay, draggable item. What it? Draggable item. Otherwise nothing. Okay, that should work now. Now we should have 2 random images. Though I still think I might have to fix the styling. Okay, that wasn't what I was expecting. Text area. What? What's happening? Huh? What? The fuck? Uh-oh. I broke something. What did I do? Maybe. Computer chip code, that's normal. That's normal. Oh, did I do this wrong? Plugin dir. No, looks good. SRC. Yeah. Alright, let's check this out again. Yay! Oh, the draggable doesn't work. So we're gonna have to figure that out. Oh, do I need to say draggable true? Yeah, I think I do. No, yeah, I gotta look at how I did the images before. I don't know actually. Hold on. Is it that simple? I think I must be targeting it differently. Minigame. I need like the minigame engage functionality. I know there's a function around here. Function around. Oh, here we go. Minigame logic. So we have the minigame. Where the whole draggable shits? Right here. Ah, drag container. That stays the same. Handle mouse move. Yeah, but what's draggable? I have the handle drag start. Okay. Ah, here we go. That's what I needed. So really, I need a way of targeting, which would be inside the minigame. And then I need to add like a class, draggable images or something. Let's do that. Draggable true, class, mini game, draggable image. Now we can, oh, we can do that. Cool, let's change it to that. Let's also make sure we're targeting the right minigame, which would be minigames. Yeah, get all the container elements in the wires container. We don't want that. Maybe we do. Because it's for the container. Oh wait, what is container? Oh, it's containers. So it's just all the images. It's giving him drag events. But I want to get the images from the minigame. How do I get that? I guess it's just this, the minigame. That should work. Where art thou, thy minigame? There we go. Okay. Let's try that. Should work. Whoops. To enable that. Alright, here we go. Can I drag you? No. Can I drag you? No. Why? Got an internal server error. Binary. Oh. Did I get the URL wrong? Probably did. It's the plugin assets src. Plugins assets src. So assets. Oh, I forgot to put src. My bad. That shouldn't be breaking the drag functionality though. Draggable's true. Definitely something should be draggable now. Right? You know, let me. Why? So let's see why. So we got this. Computer chip is there. Wires. Damn it. Wires are the image itself, I'm pretty sure. So I think I just need to add the class again as the indicator. Pretty sure they were wrapped in something before, but this should probably still work. Oh, it's like the container of the wires. Okay, so whatever. Draggable images. Let's make a wrap. See if that works. Draggable images. Trying to make this a generic draggable minigame where you like drag things on top of points on an image. That way it still works for my minigame, but it might be a game you can create for your own needs. I don't know why I did that. Let's see if that works. Let's see. Oh, I need to compile. No, that didn't do anything. Draggable images. All right, let me check out the fucking production version because obviously I'm doing something wrong. Let's go here. And let's go to minigame. I mean, I guess I can go to like wires. There we go. Wires. Okay, so it's a group, wires, and inside it, whoa, what? That's weird. There's a wires right there. I'm guessing this is the wires though. And then inside it we have block images. So wires is just a wrap around a figure. I don't think it matters if it's wrapped in a figure though. Basically what I thought. All right, let's mute you. And let's check you out. Yeah, it's basically the same thing, it's just not wrapped. All right, let's see what else I'm missing from the JavaScript function. So, starts the minigame. We have the computer chip, that exists. Ellipse. These are the little solder points inside, that exists. Draggable images is now the wire wrap. Draggable images, yeah. The wires are inside there. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's just minigame draggable image. There we go. Well, that will do it. I was missing the rename. Try again. Motherfucker. Try again. You think you fixed something. Oh my god, it's still not dragging. Why won't you let me drag you? Okay. So we got draggable images, mini game draggable image, which we just did this. Mini game draggable image. Select all from the wire wrap, because that's a container. So now we have all the wires. We go here, we have the solder points, yes. We have the wires, yes. Going through each wire, doing water. Checking if they overlap. Cool. Is overlapping wire solder point. Nothing needs to change here. Minigame draggable image. Maybe it's this. Maybe I shouldn't have changed it to that. It's possible. Possible I kind of screwed it with that. Let's just check. So if that was it, then whatever. We'll just leave it alone for now. No, that wasn't it either. Yeah, it's really weird. I can't grab these. Draggable true. Draggable true. Minigame draggable image. Draggable images. We have that. And we're gonna have to start consoling out and making sure things are getting hit. First off, are you getting hit at all? It's possible it's just not getting hit at all. Go. Okay. It is getting hit. We are getting the images. So that's good. So they do have their events to drag. I wonder if it's a styling thing now that I think about it. Let's double check because we have wires. This might be an issue. So instead of wires, what is it? What did I do? It's draggable images now. Let's at least make sure this is all the same. So wires are done. What about wire? Okay, that's the only thing that could have changed. So it might be because the position isn't fixed. I'm hoping. Maybe. I don't know. I hope. Let's see. I mean, there has to be a reason why I did that. Whoa. Well, something definitely changed when I did that. It didn't make them more draggable. But definitely fucked around with them. Just wonder if there's something about them needing to be wrapped properly. All right, let's search for wire. Just see if something comes up. No. Nope. Looks good. All the logic is the same now. Just wondering what's different then. Like why I can't drag these. And my main problem is like, is this an issue in general, or like is this something that's broken right now in production? That's something I don't know. I am able to touch them, and it's definitely not making them drag anymore. It's just they're not moving with me anymore. So let's jump back into the drag logic. So we know this is getting hit, meaning those images are being targeted for drag start. Oh, well, there you go. I'm dumb. Yeah. So I don't need to do this anymore. Drag container is event. Because I was trying to compensate for if you drag the actual image, grab the container of it, but now I don't need to do that. Well, there you go. We just fixed it. I don't know. I keep saying it's fixed and then it's still not fixed. So we'll see. I might have fixed it. And we'll be better for it. God damn it. Oh, that's good. Console error. Something's happening. Oh, it's not a function. Okay, well, why not? It doesn't like my change. So drag container exists, but it's not getting the client bounding client rect. Okay, why? Why would it even? It's not a function. Why not? Prevent default. Oh, I think I get it. I need to get rid of the closest. But it still needs to be the target. You're all screaming at me. You're like, hey, you got rid of target, idiot. You can't just drag an event. You have to drag the target of an event. Duh. Hey, don't yell at me, okay? Trying my best. Yay, look at that. Drag. Let's see if I can actually do this. Drag. If I cover all the points, oh shit. I don't think I'm able to cover all the points. Oh no. Oh no. Can I do it? Can I do it? Oh, yeah, I did it. I finished the mini game. Okay, well, we know that it works. We know that this works. We know that the SVG for the legend works. And we know that transportation, it works. Actually, let's test that the word works still. Uh-oh. I did it. It worked. Cool. But I got an error. Something about dataset video. Right. We don't have a video. Right here. This is after the minigame. Well, first off, gotta do that. Cool. Okay. That's it. That was the last thing we had to do for the minigame conversion. I mean, I'm going to have to push this code up to production and do a lot of work on the game, but that doesn't matter for what we're trying to accomplish right now. What we're trying to accomplish right now is rebuild minigame for use. And for use means I got rid of the taxonomy that had the weird, like, you had to upload an image there and use the description and blah, 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 blah. I made Draggable a minigame type that you can choose, and I added the extra fields to the minigame to be able to use it properly. So that's good. Now, I should be able to use that. Other people should too. It'll need a tutorial for them to be able to know how to do it properly, but I don't think it's a feature people are going to be using right away anyways. So we can move on. We only have 5 more tasks, basically, unless I find some more shit, before we can submit this to the WordPress directory, and that is fantastic. Now, linear encoding standards we'll do last. Well, I guess we can do that before the README and animated logo are created. But I think now what I want to do is work on the color font options. Mainly by this, I mean I need to go through and find all the things that I hard-coded styles for my game and make them global options for people to update. So we're going to need a color picker field, as far as I'm concerned. It's not hard to do, but I think we're going to need that. That way you can choose any color. You don't have to like copy and paste the hex code, which is kind of lame. It's like a cop-out more than anything. And I have done that before. Like, get your own damn hex code and figure it out. Or type in the color name or something. All right. But in order to do this, I need to know what I've hard-coded. I have some ideas. I think I've hard-coded cutscene, the way the cutscenes look, the borders around them and stuff. And then I've hard-coded the explainer styles. Let's do a little top tutorial pop-ups. Skip button, whatever. We can keep that blue. But yeah, see, like this, like that border. So I think the options I want to do are border color and border style, and maybe even border radius. But we can leave everything else the same. The arrow is already an image you can override, so I'm not worried about that. So let's go to our handy dandy menu class. Oh no! Being raided. What is up, Brock's Basher? Brock's raid. Attack, dude. Did you force people to raid me? Fantastic. Well, welcome all to your WordPress nightmare. Nice.
Brox_Basher just followed.
Welcome. What up, Brox? Brock's Basher. Thanks for jumping in, my friend. Appreciate you guys hanging out. What is going on? How was your stream? Hope it was grand. We are getting ready to submit to the WordPress directory. You forced no one? It was pretty good? Good. Nah, you forced them. Nobody comes here willingly. Kicking and screaming, at best. So this is going... We're adding extra color options and style options to the explainer pop-ups here. So when people want to make their own tutorial pop-ups for their game, they don't have to use my blue dashed round version. So we're going to need color, radius, dashed or solid. I guess I could do all three, dotted, dashed, and solid. It's just style options. So that would be explain. I'll put it where the arrow is. Arrow icon. Here we go. Because this is kind of explainer stuff here. Here, we'll do explore. explainer border color. And this is going to be text. Wait, can I not have a text option right now? Are they all upload and select? Oh, shit. Well, border. Oh no, I need to. Yeah, that's right. I got to create a color picker. God damn it. Color. Wasn't going to be that easy. And that's going to be border color. The border color of the explainer pop-ups. Cool. And then we'll need a number, explainer border radius. Give me a number, border radius, and this is the border radius of explainer pop-ups. Cool. You got back your, oh nice, you got your hot chocolate? You be drinking hot chocolate late, my friend. That's all I know. That's just not something you should be drinking before bed. My kid had a snow day today though, so had to deal with them all day. 9:20 is late for hot chocolate. It's only 9:20 on a Wednesday, on a crisp Wednesday. You cray. Border style. And now this is going to be select, and it's going to be border style, the border style pop-ups, and we'll do, what is it? Solid, sorted, dashed, dotted. Cool. Perfecto. What did I do? Oh, I forgot to comma. Okay, there's the 3 new ones. Now, I don't have number and I don't have color, so we're gonna have to create those fields. You been working on your game? Nice. His commission. Oh, you got commissioned to make something? What do you do, Brock? You making games? That's what you're doing? Or are you commissioned artist? Are you carving something for somebody? Marble, perhaps? That's my first guess. My keyboard is out of my playable area, so I can't really do much here. Okay. So I'm getting a little sick of the fact that I am not using the same post meta templates that I created for the post fields. But I'm not sick enough yet to rebuild this. So I think I can easily just add text, like I do text, I can add number. This is a little annoying, but not too annoying. Number, number, pop, 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 and that's about it. So that'll work fine, but we need color. I need to develop a color picker, which I don't remember how to do. I don't even have that field option here. Should probably, I really don't see how I would ever need that though. I don't know, maybe if I wanted to change something. We'll see. So let's do, I need a color picker field and option menu. I don't feel like looking up the code in Google, so we'll let them decide what I need. Yes, I know I need to enqueue this shit. So let's actually jump into the plugin class and get this enqueued. Yeah, it's good to have this enqueued. It might already be enqueued, actually, now that I think about it. Maybe it's not. I think it might have to do it. It would be in the post. Brox asked for someone to raid immediately. Thought of you. Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm more offended that you weren't here in the first place, but that's fine. You do you, man. I don't hold grudges forever. Just for a long time. Where? Okay. Yeah. I need admin in queue. Admin in queue scripts. Here we go, right here. Oh yeah, see, I already have media, but now I'll do this. All right, that should work. What? Are you telling me that Brox Basher streams before me? That's crazy. Nobody streams before 10:40 p.m. Eastern time, as far as I'm concerned. But I believe you. Okay. Yeah, no, I appreciate the raid. Twitch is pretty silent these days. So I just have my YouTubes to hang out with me. Okay, so that's good. And then I need the HTML for it. I don't need any of that. I don't need any of that. Yes, this is what I need. Input. Okay, I'm not using jQuery, so fuck off. I don't? Well, Twitch does automatically. So does YouTube. Are you subscribed? You should be getting them automatically. If you're not subscribed, then I guess that's your fault. I don't want to use jQuery. But I do need this input field. So let's do that. Color. So we'll do the same thing I did for number. We'll do that. We'll do that. Oh, whoops. Do that. Color. And then we'll do, yeah, that's fine. And then we do the input. Let's steal that, which is going to be text. Oh, it's just a text field, my color field. Oh, I get it now. What? I just need to add like an identifier to this. Class equals explore color field. This is actually a lot easier than I thought, and I forgot. Oh, you're on Discord mainly. That makes sense. Yeah, I kind of stopped posting announcements in there for when I go live. I don't know. When it doesn't do anything for a long time, I don't waste my time. But yeah, no problem, man. I appreciate you jumping on. Okay, so explore color field. We just need to target this and hit it up. Now, I'm not using jQuery. Don't use jQuery. I forget. I think it's as easy as just like query selector and then hitting it. Oh, that's a lot more complicated. Annoying, but I guess that's fine. It might not work, but we'll see. We'll jump in here. And we'll jump in here. So basically what we got to do is explore color field, not an ID, query selector. And actually we want to do this for all. So let's do this. And fields, color fields, color fields for each. Okay, yes. And now we'll do this. Cool. So now it's doing for all of them. I spelled that wrong. All right, no problem, man. Appreciate you jumping back in. And yeah, thanks for saying hi. Thanks for the raid. And anybody who has raided and decides you want to see the progress of this game engine and all the fun things on this channel, feel free to follow or jump on the YouTubes. That's always fun too. Wait, what? I said no jQuery, and it's clearly using jQuery. There is still jQuery in there. I can't use the built-in WordPress color picker. Really? I thought I could. That's weird. Really? That's weird. What's VCP? Oh, well, whatever. I guess we're gonna have to live with it for a bit. Though, what the fuck? Iris isn't being used anywhere. So why is this even a thing? WordPress exposes the iris globally used by... Okay. Well, we'll give it a shot. I don't know if this is gonna work though. Let's see the new fields. All right, here we go. Well, we definitely have an error right here. You don't like it. Oh, whoops. Call for stack. Hi, memory function. What? The fuck is this? Okay. Something is not working. We got... Oh, what the fuck? Post name. What? Oh, man. You think it's gonna be easy and then it's not. Alright, so select. Oh. Oh, it's because all of my selects are fucking posts. That's great. That's annoying. So basically I have to do post name. What else do I need to do? It's post name, post title. Awesome. Post title. Solid. Post. Do I have to wrap this like that? No, I don't think so. Maybe. we'll try it without first. Post name, post title. This is annoying. Okay. And then post name and post title. Cool. Grand. But this is obviously not working. What's going on? Expected. Why? Is this not an array? Maybe it should be an array. Oh. Now I get it. Still not working. Label with same name already exists? What? Okay, it doesn't like my object. I guess we'll have to make this an array of arrays. Didn't I play this at the beginning of the stream? It might be repeating songs. My bench. Yeah, okay. Array of arrays. And then down here, will that work? No. It still doesn't like it. Which I get it because it's an array. But if I do this, it should technically still work. TBH. Because you can call objects like array values as well. See if that worked. Okay. Now broke everything. Never mind. Okay. Yeah. Problem is I'm getting a post basically. And should probably up these numbers just in case somebody has a lot of pages on their site. So we got pages, areas, characters, weapons. Yeah, all the selects are post objects. Except for the one I want to do is not a post object, which I just spent a lot of time trying to recreate incorrectly. So I think I'll just have to check if it's an object, an array of objects. And if it's not, then, you know, call it dotted. So select array option. So I'll do this. Is object. Okay. Otherwise, option. Fair enough. Is object. Perfect. Same thing for post title. Okay. Let's try that. I missed something. What? Is object. Blah, blah, blah. Is that not gonna work? Oh, whoops. That should work. Hey, no problem. Honestly, Brooks, when I raid somebody, I usually have to go. So the fact that you're still here, I'm impressed and appreciative. So no sweat. Oh, I think we fixed it. Yep, border style. We got the border style, and we have all the videos and whatnot. All the drop downs are working again. Cool. Solid. Now, did we fix or did we make the color picker work? Hey, I think we did. Cool. I mean, that's a fair color picker, right? So if I want to do, and you can even just type in the hex code if you want, which is cool. Yeah, no, this is great. It's grand. I love it. Fantastic. Okay, cool. Well, let's see if it works. We'll do a weird pink. I should have a preview of the color, but whatever. And then border radius, you know, whatever. It's a number. It's good enough. Border style, we're doing dashed. Though I guess we should change it. Well, they're saving fine. Let's do dotted just to see what it looks like. Cool. All right, well, now we need to use them. So let's jump over to explainers. What? We'll grab some global options from here to do what we want. Hold on. All right, sorry about that. All right, so let me grab some global options for the explainers here. So we're going to do, well, I guess we should do it under here. Border color equals get option, explore explainer, border color. Default, we'll do, I guess, nothing. And then border radius equals get option, explore explainer, Border radius, nothing. And then last but not least, border. Oh, I guess I should do border size too, like how thick it is. Shit. I might have to do that too. God damn it. One more, hold on. Son of a bitch. We'll do it under radius, or we'll do it before radius. Explainer border radius. Harumph. Size. Size. In pixel. Oh, God damn it, my dog keeps farting and it is destroying my nose. Fucking dog, dude, get out of here. Okay. Oh, it's so bad. It's so fucking bad. God, you piece of shit. Okay, I can kind of breathe again. God, that's bad. Okay, border radius, border size. Now that I just added that. Yep, and then, what was the other one? Oh, style. Border style. I mean, I should be doing all these in like an array of one option and a bunch of arrays, but I don't care that much. Okay, no, get out. No. If you're gonna come back here and fart, dude, you gotta go. Okay, so we need this is the trigger. We don't care about that. We care about the pop-up, which is right here. And we already have the top, the left, blah, 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 blah. Now we can add the border styles too. Hard code. Border. Okay, so we'll do border size in pixels. Solid. No, style. I don't want radius. Style. And then color. So 2 pixel, solid. And then explainer, border, color. Wait, did I not put color up here? Oh, god damn it. I didn't. It's just, I hate when the IDE like makes shit up. Border size, border style, and then border color. There we go. Cool EO. So that's border. And now border radius. We'll do next. Border radius equals border radius. And I think this is the same. We'll do it in pixels. And that should be it. Yeah. Cool. Now let's get rid of the hard-coded style, which will be in here. Explainer, yo. Explainer. So we get rid of the border, get rid of the radius, and we should be good. I guess I could change the background color too, but whatever. Good enough. Good enough. This will be our first challenging test of color changing. Skip. New game. Skip. All right. Okay. Well, we have nothing. What does that tell you? That tells you that I fucked up the styling. Border radius 10 worked, but all the border style got cut off. Why did that happen? Yeah, it only has border radius. I must have fucked something up. So wait. We have border. Border. So size. I go size. Style. 2 pixel. Whatever. And the color. I think that's correct. What did I do wrong? Did I not select something? Yeah, they're all there. Maybe I didn't grab the variables correctly. Explore, explainer, border, color, radius, and size. Yeah, no, that's all correct. Huh. Interesante. Let's check. Let's far dump this whole thing out. See what I did wrong. Alright. Alright. I mean, it doesn't look bad without a border, so that's why I like that. This is an option. Oh, okay, we're missing the number. So that would be the issue. Why are we missing the number? Oh, I don't have border size. I forgot to add it. Wait, I thought I did add it. What did I do? Border, radius, size, border size. What? Where is it? Border size, number. What? Or why is that not an option? Why is radius an option only? Oh, shit. I forgot to add it. Okay. I'm being crazy. Okay, what was it? Let's do like 5 pixels. Cool. Starting, whatever. We'll use, there's an explainer up here too. Yay! Great color. All right, there you go. Now you can change the border color. The other thing are these, the cutscenes. I need to do the same thing for the cutscenes. Allow you to change the border radius, border color, border size. So, I'll probably just do it off stream. I'm just trying to think, what are the other colors that we might want to change? I mean, maybe the skip button. I mean, probably should. I already have the color picker. Might as well do the skip button. What else do you want to customize? There's nothing else really color related that I can think of. Let's go into this and see what kind of colors we have. Well, so here's a hover color on the log in create account. So that's something. Communicate border bottom. No, that's fine. This is on the inside. We can leave that. Yeah, the hover effect on the crewmate. We might want to be able to change that too. The color. Okay, well that's one. Non-login warning. That's fine. You know, the zoom in, zoom out. That's part of the functionality. We don't need to change that. Yeah, again, functionality. Wall builder, we don't need to change that. Pinpoint, that's my tool. We don't need to change that. So before we forget, Let me write it down. So we need to do the hover effect on crewmate selection. We still need to do the cutscene border. And oh, the skip button. I think those are the only three things. I mean, let me finish looking just in case. Point bar colors. I mean, I could allow them to change the colors of the gauges, like health and mana and power and stuff, but I don't know. Maybe not right now. Yeah. I think that's it. Oh wait, yeah, the minigame does have a blue border around the image? Image of what? Programming image. Oh, I think this is around the... Right. I'm actually just going to get rid of this. I think that's fine. I don't think it needs one anyways. Saw something red. Background red. Oh, that's for the yeah, the hazard health. I think that's fine. Mana. Glow pulse. Yeah, I think that's it. Cool. Yeah, there's the skip buttons. Alrighty. Well, then that's for tomorrow. Or whatever. Yeah. Off stream, but I'll finish it tomorrow. So we'll finish up those few extra color options that are going to be global. And then I'll move on to separating out the front end game builder. I'm not going to get rid of it completely, but I want to not have that available for the general public, mainly because I don't want to maintain it for people that are just fucking around. So I'm going to add it as a pro feature of the game engine plugin. But so I'm going to get rid of... Still debating what I'm going to get rid of. I know I'm getting rid of the item creation tool. So you only have the little checkboxes for God mode and no touch. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then I want to get rid of... I mean, I want to get rid of the wall builder because it's such like an awesome tool. But like I was saying last stream, it really is the best way to build walls. And I know maybe that'll get people to start using it as a pro version, but I might be able to start it as normal feature. I am worried about having to maintain it right out of the box. But there's just not a better way to build walls. You literally will have to... I mean, you'll need the pinpoint tool if you don't have the wall builder tool. So I might just leave the pinpoint tool and the wall builder. I might just get rid of the item creator. Just make it so you have to create new items in WordPress. And then I'll get rid of the finder. I'll get rid of the finder too. Because the finder is also a nice to have for editing things on the front end. So yeah, if I get rid of the item creator and the item finder and editor, I think I could actually make those tools even better before they're ready for use and make them pro features. But I'll let the wall builder be there. I'll let the zoom be there. and I'll let the pinpoint tool be there. So I just have to make sure that they look okay. Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks for everybody who jumped on today. Anybody who's been lurking in the YouTube side, come by, say hi. I like to talk. Brox Basher, thanks so much for jumping in. Thanks for the raid, my friend, and thanks for the follow. Dak Dude, always a real one. Appreciate you, my friend. I will catch you also in the next one. Thanks for inspiring the raid. And hey, I'll catch you all maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I'm spotty, but hey, you'll get a short either way. So stay tuned. All right.